So you got to the end of the day, you've cooked up, you've eaten, you've drunken, you've had a lovely time, you've still got some coals going on. If you're in an area where you've got kids or fire danger, it is a good idea to dispose of them well. If you happen to have a nice amount of sand, a bucket of sand, and then you drop that in and then just cover it with sand, it'll starve it of oxygen, it'll go out. The sand will get a little bit warm, but it's nice. Failing that, a big container of water, you can drop the coals in the water. It'll create a little bit of steam, a little bit of ash, but it's not too bad. It's a little bit messy. If where you are is pretty safe, if you're not too worried about those sorts of things, I normally just spread them out. Just give it a good spread. Some will continue burning for a while, but basically they'll just kind of cool down. You'll end up with some half-burnt bits of coal. That's something you can use to light the fire next time. Makes life a bit easier, but it'll just kind of die out of its own accord, probably in half an hour or so, depending on the size of your fire. But pretty easy. Hopefully that was helpful. And